Good morning, children. Today we'll study about the cell. Please get ready with your science textbook. That is page 113 page 113 cell structure and function. That is the new chapter which I'm going to teach you from today. The cell structure have three important parts. The first one is that cell membrane, otherwise we call it plasma membrane. The second, nucleus, and the third one is cytoplasm. Cell membrane. We'll study about the cell membrane. It's a thin living covering present in all the cell. It is composed of lipids and protein. You can see here the cell in the video. The membrane of the cell is made up of lipids and protein. It has a fine pores which are selectively permeable. That means it have very small hole which water and air can pass through. Plant cell have a rigid cell wall. Plant have a cell wall outside the cell membrane, but animal cell does not have cell wall. Keep in mind that one. As you can see from here, the cell walls are present. You can see the plant cell wall around here. This is the plant cell wall. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Here we say that the cell wall, this is made up of cellulose. And the cell wall is freely permeable to all substances. That means it allowed air and water to move it and out. The second, we'll study about the second part is the nucleus. It is the most important part in the cell. Why it's important? We'll study about the nucleus. It is covered by a double layer membrane called nuclear envelope. Perforated by many nucleopores which are selectively, here you can see the pores. In the pores the water can enter and escape. It is filled with the transparent granular liquid matrix called nucleoplasm, which contains nucleus and chromatin material. Please listen carefully. These chromatin materials we'll study in higher class. And nucleus is the site where synthesis of ribosome, which in turn help to protein synthesis. It helps the protein to synthesis in our body. And the next one, chromatin material. It consists of a mass of thread-like filaments composed of DNA and protein. You can see here the DNA. And the control center of the cell. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. It regulates the enzyme synthesis and metabolism of the cell. That means most of the functions are in the nucleus. And the second one, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a semi-fluid content present between the plasma membrane and the nuclear membrane. You can see here the cytoplasm. It is jelly-like, consists of water and organic substances. You can see here many chemical reactions occur here. It contains many specialized cells or organisms. It's performing a specific function. They are having different functions.